Hey guys, Sean Mogensen here with Guarantee RV. Today we've got a 2018 Leprechaun by Coachmen. Massive storage, great floor plan. It'll sleep 6-8 people however you want to make it. Comfortable, great on an F450 chassis. Hey, we're inside the 2018 Leprechaun. What you'll see is it's got amazing overhead storage. You've got a great bed above. You can sleep 2 or 3 children up there. It's got a cargo net, so well, the kids don't fall out when they sleep. If you need cargo while you're traveling, you can store it up there. You've got your standard booth dinette, which also makes into a bed. Then you've got the little dinette, that where the kids can eat, or you can also sleep somebody there. Then in your spacious kitchen, 3-burner cooktop, microwave, great storage pantry area, large closet as we move back into the bathroom with an all-inclusive bathroom. You've got your sink, your shower, all in one unit. Great sized full corner bed. Again, amazing up top storage in the bed area for your clothes, area for TV. Then you've got your awesome 8 cubic foot Dometic refrigerator. This is just a great bright coach, lots of windows. Hey everybody, thanks for taking your time to look at this Leprechaun by Coachmen. My name's Sean Mogensen with Guarantee RV. Give me a holler or a text, 541-780-4981.